Hey guys. Oh, sorry. Look at this. It smells so good. So I'm gonna start making some stuff for the party. For the party. It is really cold in here, and for our like heat, we have to like call someone to come turn on the boiler or something. So it's cold. Oh my god, I think there's like a cricket on the window. Let's see if it moves. Oh my god. So I'm gonna make some stuff for the party tomorrow. I'm gonna do like, obviously the stuff that can be prepared ahead of time. So like, let me pull up my list. By the way, hi, how are you? I hope you liked my last vlog. If you didn't see it, go watch that one first and come back to this one. I basically went shopping to get all this stuff for my party, and now we're about to make some of the food for the party. So I'm gonna pull up my list of stuff. So right now I'm going to prepare the brownies. I'm gonna make these little like pretzel bone things. Muddy Buddies with like Halloween candy in it. What else are we doing today? Maybe cupcakes. Like I might cook the cake part. I don't think I might not ice, I probably won't ice them till tomorrow though. That's basically everything that I can do today. Actually, I can probably do some Jello shots, maybe. I can probably do some Jello shots too. Yeah, so I'm gonna start with the stuff that I have to bake, and I'm gonna get that stuff out on the counter to get it ready. Alright guys, so I'm gonna start by doing the brownies. I think that's like the easiest thing to start. So here's kind of like the stuff that I need. And so I'm gonna start the brownies. I'm gonna mix those up, and I'm gonna also do some cupcakes, but I have two different kinds. I have either white or red velvet, and I'm thinking I'm gonna use the white and add some food coloring to make them orange. So that's fun. I think that that's what I'm gonna do. So I'm gonna mix these up, and yeah. What the heck? This thing just like stopped working. I didn't even think about it, but I could totally make green cupcakes. Or I could do half and half. I think I'm gonna do that actually. Alright guys, so cupcakes are ready to go in the oven. I have the brownies in already, so I'm gonna put those in. I might clean up a little bit, and yeah, I still have a little bit of cake batter left, so I'm gonna have to like put more in because I I thought I had another tin, but I don't, so yeah. So I'm going to link all of the recipes that I'm using below. That way, if you guys are curious about anything I'm making, then you can check it out yourself. I am going to go ahead and like do a lot of this without recording because my camera overheats really easily. So I will show you guys clips and little parts, and definitely like when it's finished and all of that. I don't know if there's any way that I can explain to you guys how much of a disaster that just was. Oh my god, look at this. They're supposed to look like bones. Oh my god. First of all, messed up the whole first bag of chocolate chips. Burned the whole first bag of chocolate chips. And in that clip that you guys just saw. I cooked it too long. And then I tried to fix it and it just made it so much worse. And then when I melted the other chocolate, it wasn't enough, and it is really hard to put on here. I think it's because I was using like bags of chocolate chips when what I should have done was use melting chocolate. I totally have some. What is wrong with me? Like, I have melting chocolate. I don't know why I didn't just use that. I don't know. Yeah, I even have white. Oh my god. Hey guys. So it's actually the next day. It's Saturday. It's day of party. Things got a little crazy last night, so I didn't really vlog as much because I ended up being up really late and I kept getting distracted, and it just wasn't really the best night. So I'm gonna show you everything that I kind of have done so far and where I kind of am at. So I have the cupcakes, the orange and then the green ones, which you yeah, the orange and the green ones that you saw. And then here's the Muddy Buddies, which I showed yesterday. And then last night I made the pretzel bones, which do not recommend. I do not recommend making those. Oh my god, these were so difficult. Unless you're like an expert at melting chocolate, don't even bother with these. I think they would be good if you are comfortable making chocolate, and especially if you have kids, because it's a good thing that you can do with your kids. But they're really easy. You just take the pretzel stick, you stick small marshmallows on each end, and then you either put melted chocolate on top or you dip them in chocolate, whichever way is best for you. I had a hard time with those. I will probably never make those again. And then I have these brownies that have like a marshmallow and melted icing on top with the little like ghost face. And then I have some brownies that have like the Hocus Pocus book decorated on, which was super, super easy to do. I just used this black like cookie icing that you can buy like at Walmart or like really anywhere that has it. And it's got a really nice fine tip. And it's really easy to work with. This was amazing. I really liked this a lot. I also used it for the faces. So yeah, those are really easy to make. As long as you can find these little like eye things, these are super easy to make. I mean, really, you could probably make your own little eye even too. It's, you know, you just literally just draw a line down, and then you draw the little like tick marks here. And then here on this corner, I don't know if you can tell, but I kind of just did like a clover-ish pattern. And then I did like a circle right here where the eye is. That's literally all I did. So those are really easy to do, and they look really good. And then here, this is kind of hard to see because it's in like a bunch of plastic wrap, but basically it's chocolate pudding, and then has ground up Oreos on top with these cookies. I used these cookies, and then I used the cookie icing, that same icing, to put the RIP and make the faces on the marshmallows, and then I put these little pumpkins in here too, so that it kind of looks like a graveyard. So that's kind of where, oh wait, and also I have the queso going. It doesn't look very good right now, but that's cooking right now. And I think that right now, oh, I made all the Jell-O shots last night too. They're in the fridge down there. I'll show you those later. And I have to decorate these cupcakes at some point, but I'm not doing like a crazy like decoration. I'm doing something fairly simple. So I do have to do that. I might do that next, and then I still have to do my makeup and figure out what I'm wearing. I think I'm gonna do some kind of like pirate costume kind of thing, and then I have the other food that I have to make later as well. So that I'm gonna wait till it gets a little bit closer. Right now it is, what time is it? It's 2:37 and the party starts at 6, but nobody's gonna show up probably till like 7 or 7:30. That's kind of just how they roll around here. No one ever comes on time. They're always like an hour late. So I think I'm good on that. So even if I start cooking at like 5, that should give me 2 solid hours of finishing everything. So it should be totally fine. I'm gonna be making sliders. I'm gonna make a taco pizza, I'm gonna make these mummy hot dogs. So they're like little hot dogs that are like wrapped in croissants to make them look like mummies. And I'm going to make the queso. There was one more thing. What's the last thing? And I'm going to do breadsticks that look like bones. I have a lot of like bone things. I guess that's like my favorite Halloween character is the skeleton, apparently. Actually, yeah, I think that's a fair thing to say. So yeah, so I'm just going to, right now, I'm probably gonna decorate the cupcakes. And then I might like start my yeah, I might take a quick shower. I'm not gonna wash my hair because I just washed it, and that way it's like easier to do my hair, do my makeup, and then I'll probably come back and start cooking the food. Yeah, I think that's the plan. I'm pretty sure that's what I'm gonna do, because I have everything else done, which is really crazy. I definitely thought that I was gonna be running around here like with my head chopped off, but I'm finding that I'm like, okay, what do I do now? Because I have time. Oh, and I gotta decorate. Wait, maybe I should start that first. Hold on. Okay, so I'm going to do the cupcakes and then I'm gonna decorate. Started decorating. So here's the cupcakes. I love the pumpkin ones better. I still have to do something with this stuff. Hey guys, so my makeup is starting to go. I epically failed today at vlogging and I'm so sorry. I got really busy and I was running out of time, so I totally failed at vlogging the rest of everything. So everything that I showed I will definitely link below, and yeah, I hope you're not disappointed, but I was supposed to be like a gypsy pirate thing, and I had like a scarf on my head earlier and my hair was like down, but I got really hot. So there is so many dishes and like a lot of trash. And people are still here, which is fine, but it's been so fun. It's been so fun. Hey guys, so like I said, I kind of epically failed at the end of the night vlogging, and I'm so sorry for that. But the party was such a success. It was so fun. So many people came, and so many of my friends came, and I met some new people, and it was just so much fun. I am so glad that it went well, and everyone had so much fun, and I'm just so happy that it turned out good. And I definitely am going to be doing more things in the future for sure. It was just so much fun, and we have never like lived in a house where we were able to host like stuff like this, so it just is so fun for us to be able to have all these people over. And I don't know, I just had so much fun, and I'm so glad it turned out good. I'm so sorry that I didn't get very good footage of everything set up. There was so many more things that I had that I didn't get to show because it got so busy, and I just forgot to pick my camera up. So I know I said that I had like a lot of time to do stuff, but I actually really did end up kind of running behind. And when my friends got there, they helped me cook all the main food, which was really awesome. I'm really happy that I have friends that are willing to come over and help me like that, and I didn't feel uncomfortable like letting them help me, because you know, like sometimes like when you don't know someone very well, you don't be like, no, it's fine, like I can do it, even though you're really overwhelmed. You just don't want to have somebody like, you don't want to put them in a place, I don't know, because like you're supposed to be the host, you're the one who's supposed to take care of them. So I'm glad that I have friends that I feel comfortable helping in that sense. I don't know if that makes any sense, but you know, like when you have people over, you don't want them to feel like they're coming over to like work, you know what I mean? So like I'm really glad that they helped me. It really helped. It was so fun to be able for us to all hang out in there and just like get everything done together. And so we did all the food, and I didn't get to show any of it, and I'm really sorry. I'll still link everything down below what I made, just for ideas, in case you need ideas for any food. All of the food turned out really great, and it was all really easy things to make. I also made like a punch, like a green punch that was really good. And I didn't even get to show the Jello shots. Everyone loved those ones except for the candy corn ones. Those ones were very hit and miss. Understandably though, it was kind of a weird recipe. I just wanted to do it because they looked Halloween-y, you know what I mean? But the other ones, everybody loved the other ones so much. And yeah, so I didn't really get to show you guys everything decorated fully. I didn't even get to show my makeup very much, but it was just really fun because, again, because I was behind all my friends, like we all went into my makeup room, we were all hanging out in there, and like I was doing my makeup, and we were all chatting, and it was such a great time. And for anyone that came to my party and maybe watching this, thank you so much for coming. It was so fun, and I hope that we can do more things in the future. And yeah, I know it's like a really weird angle, but I'm like totally chilling right now. I'm working on some new video ideas right now. I'm really trying to come up with some things so that I can be consistent on YouTube. I really want to, I mean, I don't know if I'm like gonna get a job, so like I really am like making YouTube kind of like my main thing to do right now because I don't have anything else to do, and it's fun for me and I love it, and I want to be able to create a community. So that's what I'm gonna do. So if you like this video, go ahead and give it a like and subscribe to my channel. I will definitely be having more vlogs in the future, as well as more videos coming to you guys. So if you'd like to, go ahead and subscribe to me, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!